What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Simi, and in this video you're actually gonna witness the result of compulsive panic attack while shopping. You guys ever get that feeling when you face a lot of hair fall, for example, and then you're like, aaj hi main theek karugi, I'm gonna do my research and I'm gonna find out the right thing that I need to prevent and stop my hair fall. Or maybe if you are breaking out a lot and then you've had enough and you're like, dude, I'm gonna get into the root cause of this and I'm gonna find out what is it and why it's happening, and I'm gonna treat it myself. I just sat down, I watched YouTube for 3 hours straight, and by the end of 3 hours I had this long list of things that I had to buy from Amazon, okay, because मैंने सोच लिया था कि मैं सब कुछ ठीक कर लूँगी. So I haven't even started using anything that I bought. I mean, I have used a few things here and there, but I haven't really, like really started using stuff. I just thought, meanwhile, I'm just gonna show you what I bought that one night out of my sudden compulsive panic attack, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so the first thing that I got here is a derma roller. Now I haven't used it, it's just been lying like this. The way derma rolling actually works is that it creates tiny incisions on your skin. Okay, so जैसे हमको चोट लगती है, you know how your body has the ability to actually heal that part which is wounded, right? I mean, body will give all of the nourishment that this part would require to actually heal and to regenerate and to whatever. So when you create artificial incisions, very tiny artificial incisions on your skin, automatically blood will rush with all of the oxygen and all of the nutrients in your body and just like, start healing that area, right? So that is the whole genius bit of derma rolling, and you can actually do it for your hair as well as for your skin. Obviously, the size of the needles have to be very small if you're doing it by yourself, so that's the reason I got 0.5 mm. You can also get 0.25, or you can also get like 0.3, 0.1, etc, but I feel like those would be very tiny. This is the derma roller. I actually got a golden one for no apparent reason, just because I thought golden would be prettier. So it comes in a box like this. After you're done using it, you're supposed to place it inside the box so that it's clean, it's hygienic, it's away from all of the dirt and all of the dust and bacteria and whatnot, and then you cover it up with the lid like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you what the derma roller actually looks like. So this is the derma roller, or this is the part that actually has very tiny needles. Like, I don't even think you guys will be able to see it from there because it's so micro, like it's micro needles. Okay, and then you just very gently roll it on your skin like that. Like it doesn't hurt at all. You're not supposed to put pressure, you're not supposed to zabardasti, like rub it on your skin because it's not painful and you think ki jab khoon niklega only then it will work. It's not like that. You're supposed to roll it very gently on your on your skin like that. So you do it a few times like this, and then you do it a few times like this, a few times like this, a few times like this. So you basically go over the same patch in a lot of different directions so that you create proper incisions and no spot is actually left. That's the way you do it on your skin as well. That's the way you do it on your hair as well. Now doing hair is quite tricky because when you run your roller on your hair, you can pull out a lot of hair while you're doing it. So yeah, as I said, I do have to do a lot of research before I start using it. Moving on, you guys, I'm gonna show you what I have here. This is Multani Mitti. You see what I'm talking about? Panic attack, it was real. Okay, basically while I was doing my research, I came across a lot of videos that said that you're supposed to wash your hair with Multani Mitti if you have dandruff, and then as a conditioner you can use buttermilk or dahi over it. So I tried it once, and to be honest, it made my hair very dry and very brittle. So if you have fine hair like me, I would not recommend you to try it. But if you have like normalish hair, like medium to coarse hair, then you can definitely try it because it did clean my scalp. Okay, but again, as I said, it's drying. Okay, it's very drying. So if you want to go down that road, be prepared to face the dryness that comes after. But yeah, I mean, even Ramdev Baba said it, so I bought it. Okay, I hope you guys are not judging me because I bought a lot of random stuff like that. Okay, so the next thing that I have is a Kesar. Now my mom also wanted it. Okay, so she does a lot of DIYs on her skin all the time, so she wanted Kesar since a very long time, and we finished Kesar since a while back. I mean, we don't even use Kesar anymore, but again, she wanted Kesar, so I called for Kesar, and this is like 1 gram of Kesar. Oh my god. 1 gram of kesar, which retails for 451 rupees. You know, it's just the whole haldi chandan kesar just makes your skin better and all of that. It's just the vibe of using these things, you know. Most of my Amazon shopping happens because I have some sort of a panic attack, okay? And Amazon is like the best place to buy the randomest random thing possible on this planet. So yeah, I mean, that's the place I go to when I'm like, you know. Okay, next thing that I got is the next thing that I got is Chandan Ki Lakdi original, and I got this. Dude, this is so funny. I got Chandan Ki Lakdi, you guys, original Chandan Ki Lakdi, and I got the silvata, the grinding stone for the Chandan Ki. Please tell me I'm not crazy. Okay, it all made sense when I was buying it, okay, please. So you're basically supposed to just rub the lakdi on the grinding stone with a little bit of milk or water according to your skin type. And that's it. You get like a very nice fine paste out of chandan, and then you can apply it. So you can mix kesar and then apply it on your face, you know what I mean? Okay, by the way, you guys, I got these two things in a combo. So I didn't buy it separate, okay? I got these two things saath mein. Next, a few things are basically oils and a lot of oils, okay, which I thought would cure the dandruff. And in fact, I've used them twice and I really like them. I mean, my scalp does not feel as itchy. I mean, it is slightly itchy even now, but it's not as itchy as it was before, you know. And my hair smells fresh. Like, I can smell the oils in my hair and it kind of feels smooth and fresh. First is the Luxura Sciences Organic Onion Oil. So it says it controls dandruff, reduces hair fall, accelerates hair growth. I bought it because it is paraben free and sulfate free, and also it's got a lot of other oils as well. It's got argan oil, it's got hibiscus oil, it's got bringraj oil, sesame oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil. So it basically has a lot of other oils apart from onion oil, and I felt like Acha yoga. Retails for $9.99. Ooh, this was expensive. So basically, when you're dealing with dandruff, you need some sort of an antifungal to kind of, you know, kill the fungus and just get that shit out of your head. So I got 100% cold pressed neem oil. This is by Wishcare, and it says healthy hair and skin. Now it's very, very dark. It doesn't smell of anything, but it's like very thick and very, very dark. And it retails for 400 rupees. Again, this was expensive. Okay, and then I got a few essential oils. I have the Solimo Essential Oil. This is the rosemary, 100% pure and natural steam distilled. It's 15 ml. And it's supremely strong and fragrant. I mean, all essential oils are supposed to be very, very fragrant because they're very concentrated and they're very potent. So you're not supposed to use a lot of it. You just need like a few drops of it, okay? Like 3 to 4 drops, and that is enough. So the next oil that I have is the Organics Mantra Lavender Oil. Again, this is very random, okay? Like, all of the oils that you see are all from different brands. I did not really go for one particular brand because, you know, I was in the mood to experiment. And this one is again for you know, hair and skin, and again, you don't really need to use a lot of it, just a few drops, and it smells really, really nice. It smells so good. You know, you remember Pond's talc we used to use back in the days? It smells of that. So the last oil that I have here is by Anvea. This is the Peppermint Essential Oil. Again, a random brand, but yeah, I mean, it is too concentrated and very, very fragrant. Oh my god, it smells of polo. It smells of polo. Oh, I got one last oil. I don't know why I got this. I didn't even use it because I didn't like the fragrance of this. It's the eucalyptus oil, the Nilgiri oil, as you might know. And I mean, I don't know if it even does anything. It has any benefit, or you know, it has any antibacterial, antifungal properties to it. It was just too pungent and very strong, so I thought, you know, jo bhi cheez is strong hoti hai, it'll help in killing the bacteria up here. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how I actually use all of these oils. I'll show you how I actually use these oils. So I take a little bit of olive oil as my base. You guys can also go ahead and use coconut oil, castor oil, whatever you want to use as your base oil. And then I use the onion oil, the onion oil, and then I use the neem oil, and then like maximum of 3 to 4 drops of all the essential oils that I have. Just one by one I'll keep adding it to the oil, and then I have this nice concentrated mixture of all the goodness of these oils that I have in this one bowl that I will heat up for like about 4 to 5 seconds just to mix them all together. And then I start massaging it on my hair. It feels good because it's relaxing. At the same time, my hair feels smooth, and it's a lot better than using anti-dandruff shampoo, because anti-dandruff shampoos also cause my hair to become very brittle and fragile. I actually put my hand in my hair and I can sense that my scalp is clean. I mean, it doesn't itch as much. There's just like slight itching here and there, but I know if I continue to use these oils, it can help in getting rid of the dandruff that I'm facing. Show you this one last thing that I got. Okay, and I hope you guys don't judge me, but it was really hard for me that day. Okay, I was panicking and I was thinking about all sorts of things, so I got a wig for myself. The reason that I got this wig was because in the pictures it was straight, it was poker straight like my hair, but it was colored. So I was like, you know, it's a good option for when I'm filming tutorials, because it's good to have like colored hair also. Sometimes it goes with the eye makeup that I do, you know, just like lenses, everything enhances your makeup. I was like, I'm just gonna, you know, like for a change, I'm just gonna get this wig because it has a lot of good reviews as well, and it looks really decent, and people are saying it's like the best wig, it's better than their own hair. And I was like, okay, whatever, you know, it was just for 600 or 700 rupees and I got it. It's like the worst thing that I ever got. My pink hair wig was much better than this one. It looks like so cheap. Do you see this? So cheap. With that, these were all of the things that I got from Amazon out of my panic attack. I'm gonna link everything down for you guys. You guys can check it out. But you know, I hope you guys are able to relate to what I went through. It was such, like, it was a bad day. Okay, honestly, it was a bad day. And let me know if you guys have also been through something like this, if you can relate to what I went through, if you've ever panic shopped. So yeah, with that, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed all of the products that I had to show you, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you can relate to the panic attack, you guys, I need your support. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And with that, I will see you next time. Bye.